Hi everyone! It's Audrey here at Next GENNA with Thumbs.
And Thumbs.
And we're at La Cité Écologique in New Hampshire today. This is a really special place for us because that's where Ecovillage Pathways 2018 happened. So that's how I met with the Next GENNA team, and that's when I joined Next GENNA thanks to that gathering. And Leah, who's filming right now, who's also part of the core team, lives here, and she was part of helping with Ecovillage Pathways 2018, and then she joined too. So this is a very meaningful place. It feels so nice to be together in this place. And yeah.
If you want to join this wonderful team, then come to our welcoming meeting. We're going to have a webinar where we're going to teach folks about what Next Gen is and how we throw incredible events like Ecovillage Pathways that was here last year and will be in Belfast, Maine at Belfast Co-Housing next year. And so during the welcoming webinar, we're going to talk about how we throw events like that, what other projects we do as Next Gen, and different ways for everyone to get involved that matches whatever you have time for. You know, we understand that everyone probably watching this is passionate about ecovillages and wants to either grow their own ecovillage or join the network or learn more, and yet you still probably have a lot of obligations, and working for a mostly volunteer organization with, you know, small stipends and some training opportunities means that you only have a few hours a week or a month to join, and we are just devising ways for everyone to be able to join us in whatever time availability they have. And so please come to our welcoming meeting. It'll be next week on November 14th on Thursday, and we are so excited to get to meet you and find ways for you to join our passionate team.
Yeah, come work with us.